Okay, video 3 for Mini Messages Monday. If you haven't seen my first 2 videos, I recommend going to watch those first because it will help you understand what I'm doing today. It's a new concept. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like this. I'm going to actually use a couple of decks that I have never used on my channel yet. And the first message of the day was abundance mini message for the week. The second one was a healing mini message for the week. And this is a magical mini message for the week. So we have creativity, authenticity, grace, sensuality, and safe travel. Now this week, I believe not only is the new moon, but this week also starts Mercury in retrograde on October 13th. So if you are unfamiliar with Mercury in retrograde, it tends to affect technology. It's a time of inner reflection and going within and really delving into healing work and reflection. So one thing to note about Mercury in retrograde, it is not the time to start new projects. So if you are having these creative bursts, and this is the second time creativity has come up today, I highly recommend writing down whatever ideas pop in your mind and not necessarily starting them, but now is the time that you can start using to start preparing to start them. It's always recommended that you start new projects after Mercury in retrograde has ended. Mercury in retrograde is also all about communication, and when I'm recording this, we're actually in the shadow phase before Mercury in retrograde. And what that means is the energy of Mercury in retrograde tends to start earlier, and there can be things like communication issues and hidden things coming to light. Today, when I'm recording this, has been an exceedingly dramatic day. Oh boy, has it ever in the YouTube world. But just try to retain your personal sense of authenticity and being true to who you are. Grace is not just about patience, it's about the capability to let things go. Especially the things that no longer serve you. Sensuality, your freedom flowing from far away. I dance, I love, I laugh, I play. So you may be being called to pursue your sensuality through things like dance, through channeling your inner child, playing, allowing yourself to love, experiencing freedom, releasing that clogged up energy that may have been stagnant within yourself. Because Mercury in retrograde does affect technology, I'm not surprised the safe travel card came up. It says, keep me safe and let me roam far away, but bring me home. So definitely pay attention to your mechanic stuff. Let's see. So let me read off the other 3 cards. Creativity says, by all above and all below, let me connect, let creativity flow. Authenticity is who I truly am is good indeed. I am authentic in thought, word, and deed. In the grace card it says, grace, blessing, come to me to set me free. Let's see what other messages we have. Romance. So some of you may be having some romance stuff going on. Romance, it is a sacred power. Let it come to me this hour. Passion. Hello. We have sensuality, we have romance, and we have passion. Hello. This took a turn in the way that I did not anticipate. Passion, rise up high, inflame my purpose, reach the sky. Confidence. By earth and air, water and fire, let my confidence take light, burn higher. So definitely work on self-esteem, regaining self-confidence if that has been something that's a challenge for you. I know that's something that's a constant challenge for myself. The second time something like that has come up in the reading. Interestingly enough, in the healing reading, the number 11 card showed up. And this is the second time the 11 card showed up. 1111, twin flame. Energy, 13. Alight my fire divine, energy fill me, make me shine. Inspiration, yeah, a lot of creativity energy going on through this time. Isis, goddess of magic, I ask thee to bring your inspiration to me. This is a very powerful week. This is a bit crazy. I did not expect all this. Fertility. That can be pregnancy. It can also be birth of new ideas. Creativity. Let all take root, seed, and sprout. Let new life be all about. Trust. I am safe. I am secure. In love I trust. My faith endures. Love. Wow. Wow. Aphrodite, I call to thee to bring true love here to me. Now, keep in mind, Aphrodite is not just about external love, although she is the goddess of love. She is also all about self-love. And if you haven't seen my healing video, I recommend going seeing that. I do recommend potentially, if you have rose quartz, this is the week to put it to work. It's a very gentle energy crystal. It's all about love, self-love, self-healing, all of that kind of stuff that we may all struggle with, especially because 2020 is that bitch. Best possible decision. Artemis, goddess of the bow, help me see what must be known. So it could very well be that some sort of hidden truth may come to light. Mercury in retrograde is not the time to start new projects. It is not the time to start contracts. It is not the time to start new job or, buy something big like a home or a car or anything of that nature. So this is a better time to do things like research. I really do get the sense that this Mercury in retrograde is going to kick all of our asses in big ways, unfortunately, and it's going to be a very, very, very transformative process. Destiny, all that I shalt need to know as I walk shall now be shown. tongue twister. And last card, safe home. I cast a circle round about. Safety now is beyond doubt. This one in particular may be a beneficial thing for any of you guys to focus your energy into. And with safe home, envision the same energy encircling and protecting your vehicle, your workplace, if you're working right now, anything of that nature. So, I hope this reading may be beneficial. I hope to see you again in a few hours. And until next time, I wish you the brightest of blessings and blessed be.